Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Sitting here at the workbench, just got a phone call from my local hobby shop that some special orders came in for me today, so why don't you come along with me? Let's go! Hey guys, here we are at Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies. Let's go inside. Well, there's Chuck and Doreen.
Hey, Mark.
Hey, brother, how are you?
Hello, sir. Hello, hello.
Good. You got my stuff?
Yes, I do. Right here.
All right. You said some was on back order, right?
Yes, 7 was on back order.
All right. Distributors. Detail wire. Cool. Well, let me see what else I just can't live without.
I can.
So what's up, Chuck?
Same.
Same? Well, all right. I'm looking for a 1932 Ford for a project. So I'm in the Ford section.
Right there.
And which one?
Coca-Cola, 32 Ford.
That Coca-Cola. You know, that's one I do not have. And I was thinking about a sedan anyway.
There you go.
And a sedan delivery. Well, let's see what else we got in the Fords here. It's just too much.
Yeah, you got the money, get them all.
Get them all, huh?
Yeah.
You know what? That 32. This is open, Doreen. Can I take a look?
Sure.
Actually, I'm thinking this sedan delivery.
Be kind of cool.
Maybe after that 40 Ford, I'm stuck on sedan deliveries, and maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I like those wires.
Give it a Mark Batson special.
A Mark Batson special. You know, the Coca-Cola livery actually isn't that bad. Oh, decals are open. Let's see how they look.
Yeah, I got my little message on my phone, but tonight just seeing their green.
Oh, this is a bunch of decals.
So we don't have anything on my Stug 42 yet by.
I think this is going to be the one. I don't know if it'll be in Coke livery or not, but I think this will be my 32 project. Like, I don't have enough at home, but I know I don't have a sedan delivery.
Well, I tell you what.
That tells me that I should have a sedan delivery, doesn't it, Joe?
That means you have to get that. And when you get home, you're going to say, I should have got that.
Anything else new, Doreen?
There's a new Gundam over there.
Gundam?
Yeah.
I have a new. Uh-oh.
Should be on the top shelf.
This 72nd scale Huey's.
That just came in.
This just came in?
Yes.
You can build one of two. Oh, there's two in here. Well, Huey, well, we got to have that. When I'm in my modeling funk again, I'm going to have to, that'd be a great one to do. Did you see that, Chuck?
Yeah, now she does have
Two helicopters.
a Stug 3 with full interior over there.
German tank.
Yep, assault gun.
I got all the American tanks and uh-oh. Chuck and his twin brother, Chuck. Hey, guys.
I'm having to bite my tongue.
I know.
Yeah, just
Oh, well,
That's that one in there. Half of one. A kit in there.
half of the kit. I just happened to notice there's two kits in there.
This came in today too, Mark.
That one, I have that one.
With the
That's with the wrap.
76. Oh, this has got the wrap on it.
best side. This
I've got one of those now, but that is kind of cool. This is the one with the wrap.
Yep.
Full color vinyl. Have you tried this one yet, Chuck?
I'm getting it to try it.
Oh, okay. Well, while I'm here, let's walk out to the, you know what, if I'm going to do that helicopter rescue colors, I need a fluorescent orange. All right.
So
Ooh, couple of new toys. Wow. Let's go back to the hot rod shop a minute. See how things are going in the hot rod shop. Ooh. Look at this. Is the rat rod truck. Wow. There's the bed. Oh, this is so cool. Getting the wiring for the column done. Oh! Guys, isn't it cool? Walk out of the hobby shop, right out to do your research. This is gorgeous. Check out that suspension. Wow. Love it. U.S. Army. Official use only. And of course, they're still working on the Road Racer Shelby. If you haven't seen inside the trunk and up close on this one, be sure to go back and look at our first video, the introduction to the Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies. Be a lot in that. I'll try to get over all of this stuff right now. And then the 55 Ford, they've got the engine in it now. And I'm not going to go back to the body shop right now, but check that out. This one, I am told, is going to be pretty much, when you look at it, it's going to look totally stock, but it's going to be jacked under the hood. Ah, this is awesome. Wow. Get back here where we can look in the trunk real quick. Sorry, I got my shirt hung up on some more chrome and goodies. Some new shoes. This is going to be gorgeous. Wow. Well, I think I've done enough damage. So let's get back to the hobby shop and call it a day. Thanks for tagging along, guys. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Love to hear from you. Guys, have a good one. We will see you in the next video. God bless, guys.